homogeneous, you are given y double prime minus 6y prime plus 9y is equal to x exponential 4x, which has two parts. It has the y complementary and the y particular. So we begin by the y complementary, whereby this one we are going to solve it by letting our exponential mx to be equal to y, so that now our y prime will be equal to m exponential mx. Our y double prime will be equal to m squared exponential mx. So we substitute it there. So our y complementary, remember, we are solving it from this, which is equal to 0. So instead of y double prime, we substitute it with m squared minus 6m plus 9. And we factor out exponential mx, which is equal to 0. And we apply the fact that the exponential mx can never be equal to 0. Meaning that m squared minus 6m plus 9 is the one which is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be factored as m squared, this is negative 6, minus 3m plus 9, which is equal to 0. Yeah, sorry, this is minus there. This is minus. So our m1 is equal to m2, which is equal to 3. Meaning that our y complementary is equal to c1 plus c2x exponential 3x. Now, to obtain our y particular, we use this general formula, v of f of d, x v of fd minus f prime of dv divided by f of d squared. Now in our case, f of d is equal to d squared minus 6d plus 9. F of d prime is equal to 2d minus 6. Then we substitute in the formula. Yp is equal to x. Our v is exponential 4x divided by d squared minus 6d plus 9 minus bracket 2d minus 6 multiplied by exponential 4x divided by d squared minus 6d plus 9. This is equal to x exponential 4x divided by, where you have d, you substitute it with the 4 minus 4, then you square minus 6d plus 9 plus 9 minus bracket 2d minus 6 exponential 4x divided by, this part here is squared from the formula here. Yeah, so divided by 4 squared bracket minus 6 plus 9, you square everything, which is equal to x exponential 4x divided by, here you have negative 16 plus 9, which will give you negative 6d minus 7, then we square this. So yp, of course there is this other part here, minus bracket 2d minus 6 exponential 4x divided by, the square is not here, sorry, divided by, there is d here, there is d which I omitted there, sorry for the omission, divided by minus 6d minus 7, you square that. So our yp is x exponential 4x divided by, this part here you have minus 6 minus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 9 minus bracket 2d minus 6 exponential 4x divided by. So when you square this, it is going to give you minus 6 into bracket, you multiply this by 4 minus 7, then you square, which is equal to x exponential 4x divided by, this is negative 24 plus 9 minus bracket 2d exponential 4x divided by, this part here you have negative 24 minus 7 and you square, which is equal to x exponential 4x. So negative 24 minus plus 9 will give you negative 15, then minus bracket 2d minus 6 exponential 4x all over. Here you are going to get that 1 minus that 1, you square this part, which is equal to x exponential 4x minus 15 minus bracket. This means you you differentiate. This will give you 8 exponential 4x minus 6 exponential 4x all over. When you square negative that 1, our yp is equal to negative x over 15 exponential 4x minus 8 exponential 4x minus 6 exponential 4x divided by 961. So the solution of one given ODE, which was y double prime minus 6 y prime plus 9y is equal to x exponential 4x. Our y will be given by y complementary plus y particular, which is equal to c1 plus c2x multiplied by exponential 3x minus x over 15 exponential 4x minus 8 exponential 4x divided by 961 plus 6 exponential 4x divided by 961. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning together. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day.